my car. Woohoo!
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go,
go. World's first sliding body bike.
Hi, my name is Ron from the PopCycle US campaign team. There are about 2 million bikes sold every year here in the United States. We can proudly say that the PopCycle would be the most revolutionary bike like none other. PopCycle has utilized the sliding mechanism for the first time in the world. You can push and pull the parallel frames by simply sliding. Also, the PopCycle sliding mechanism, bikers can adjust the bike's frames and seats to fit their bodies. This is why we implemented this mechanism. After extensive research and development, we have applied a method to allow biking to be possible while folded up. Bikers can easily carry it while riding any type of public transportation without filling up a huge amount of space. Storage is also very simple. Store the PopCycle in the back of your car, office, or home. We also considered our environment alongside PopCycle's convenience. Most bikes produce hazardous substances like chrome, nickel, etc. while welding. By applying die casting method, there is no need to weld the PopCycle. All we needed was bolts and nuts to fully assemble. Bikers will also be able to feel the joy of building their own bikes, like a DIY product. We wanted to increase our bike speed, even with the smaller 16-inch wheels. So we installed a 2-level speed increasing gear and were able to double the wheel's rotation with the single pedal. We are about to present PopCycle on Kickstarter for the first time in the world. Smaller, but faster. Backers, thank you in advance for your love and interest in PopCycle. Bike anywhere with PopCycle.
Go to Kickstarter, this is going to be up in about a month or so, and grab one of the first ones if you can get one.